Alright, now we just switched it from slow speed to high speed. So you can see on the controller here, there's a black wire, whatever color wire that is, and then whatever color that wire that is. So if you leave the black wire completely disconnected, it's like middle speed. If you hook it up to this wire, it is high speed. And then if you hook it up to this wire, it is low speed. Our first test that we just did, that was on low speed. And now we're gonna skip the middle and go straight to high speed and give that a shot. Adeline, will you hold this? And show this for me. Okay, now I'm gonna show you with this wire disconnected. So that'll be middle speed, which is like normal, not low but not high. So completely disconnected, show that. You can see our black wire here is completely disconnected now. All right, let's see the tires. Back up, stand back up, Adeline, just like you were the first one. Alrighty, now stay right there, Adeline. Now we're gonna go to low speed, which is what our first test was done with. And here we go. You should be able to completely hear the difference of the motor. So let's switch back to high speed and see if the motor to push this much of a load, meaning the scooter and her on the scooter. But we will see. If worst case, I'm pretty sure that middle speed will be able to handle the scooter and her on it, and be able to go pretty fast, especially compared to the speed she was just going. So we're gonna see if we can increase the speed just a little bit, but we're gonna go straight to the high speed first. So and real quick, as you can see here, this is a battery I bought on AliExpress, I believe, and I paid about $100 for it, which is not bad. It is a 48 volt. You can see here on our voltage readout, it is 52.6 volts right now, when we just did a ride on it, so I'm happy with that. It has an unrealistic milliamp hour rating on it, so there's no point in me telling you that, and I have not put it on my iMax B6 charger to find out the correct rating on it, but I will do that in another video. But here we go, we got a little brushless controller. This is a 500 watt brushless controller, and this is a 48 volt battery. This controller is rated for 36 volt, but I put a 48 volt battery on it and it does just fine. No problems at all. So we're going to go try it in high speed now. Let me put the cover back on here. And how we did this here, Alan, walk over to this side real quick. We want to look right here, nice and smooth. Okay, so how we did here, we just took a hoverboard motor, and I really put this project off for a while because of the fact that the axle only comes out one side of the motor. But finally I said, you know what, I'm going to try it and see if it works. So I just basically cut the old mount off from the original scooter wheel, and I welded this here and this here, and this is just a shaft collar that you can put on there, and it has a set Allen key set screw on it. This is it right here. It's just welded right on there, and I put some support going back this way to make sure it can support the wheel. I got it as straight as I could and welded it on there, and it seems to be working absolutely perfect. So I'm happy about that. I also put this piece going this way here to keep the steel here from wanting to flex that way, and it's turned out really good. Even though it's only mounted on one side, it seems to handle her and the scooter, no problem, and I'm happy with it. So let's go test it on high speed, and if it works well, we'll leave it like that, and then we'll put some paint on this thing. Dust us. Don't forget you don't have brakes yet. I'm so glad it's working on high speed. This is test number 2 in high speed. How's it going? Bro, let me get ahead of you a little bit because we're gonna dust us. Give me what you got. See how fast it'll go. Easy. Bye. Go full speed. Go full speed. Oh, dang it. You just gotta go real slow into the throttle. Am I not working high speed? Is it not working? If you give it too much gas, does it make that noise? Okay. Well, when you had it wide open? Alright, turn around. Turn around. We might need to put it back to middle speed and it'll be perfect. Hey, Adeline, go back this way. The way we came. You ready? Whoa! Easy, girl. Let me get a little bit ahead of you. Let me get a little bit ahead of you, and then you can come up and blow past me. Come on, Adeline. Go. And we are moving. Go as fast as it'll go, baby. That all the way? That's awesome. Woo, you're flying. You going fast, baby girl. We're gonna turn around right here. You're going fast. Go ahead and turn around. Wherever you feel comfortable. Turn around. Come back this way. Get it, girl, get it. Let me catch up, let me catch up. Adeline, let me catch up. Okay, Bugs, you ready? Go. As fast as you want. You are riding, kid. Dang! Stop sign! All right, come on, come on. Come on, go. You're getting it. It works great on that setting, doesn't it?
I don't want to go home yet.
Well, we gotta go home. We gotta get stuff done. But hey, was that fun?
Yeah.
That thing is sweet, ain't it? All right. Ride it to the house.
Are we going in the back?
Yep.
I'm cold. Okay.
You cold?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to get off.
Can I plug my bike? Daddy.
Yep, go get your bike.
Daddy, hold on.
She gone, buddy.